It's my pleasure to participate to this conference. My presentation is MPPT of PV system under partial shading conditions based on bio-aspirated swarm intelligence technique, presented by myself, Mohammed Agdam. The outline of this presentation is introduction and study of PEG, photovoltaic system, and description of MPPT technique, and evaluation of the presented methods, and we finished by conclusion. The introduction. In these last years, the global warming increases due to the exploitation of conventional energy sources to produce electricity. Producing electricity from the sun using solar panel is one of the several existing methods to produce energy. However, the production of this energy is non-linear and varies according to temperature and also the irradiation. To ensure maximum energy production under these conditions, maximum point tracking technique MPPT are proposed that ensure that the maximum point. There are algorithms in the literature based on the following methods such as P&O and AIC, called classic method. And there are also called intelligent commands methods like bio-aspirated swarm intelligence technique and physiologics and ANN, artificial neural networks, etc. Gray wolf and swarm particle swarm optimization are parts of these intelligence commands. Study of the MPP of photovoltaic system. This figure illustrates overview of the PV system. Consists of three series connected modules and DC-DC boost converter. The design value of for DC-DC converter are inductor value is 3 millihenry, input and output capacitor values is 100 microfarad, and switching frequency is 10 kilohertz. The mathematical modeling of PV system is given by Villalba and al., and this figure shows the single diode model, and the corresponding equation of PV cell are as follow, where APV is the output current. Description of MPPT techniques. The first techniques, P&O method, perturbed and observed method, is based on disturbances applied to the reference voltage or current signal, and this flowchart, the figure illustrates the flowchart of P&O algorithm. We know that this technique is most widely used methods of MPPT, especially in standard conditions. The P&O MPPT has main drawback, and the determination of ideal perturbation step size is difficult. If the perturbations are large, the possibility of the algorithm to oscillate around the MPP becomes high. And if the perturbations are small, the convergence speed of the algorithm becomes very low. The second technique is Gray-Wolf optimization. It imitates the pyramid of leadership and the Chassin method of Gray-Wolf in nature suggested by Mir Jalili. To simulate the leadership hierarchy for different styles, are used, such as alpha, beta, delta, and omega. Alpha is taken fittest approach. The second and the third option, best options are beta and delta, and the remaining wolves are known as omega. By surrounding the target, gray wolves chase the prey, and the encircling action is modeled by the following equations. And this figure illustrates the flow chart of the GWO algorithm, gray wolf optimization. The third method, PSO, particle swarm optimization, as a swarm intelligence optimization algorithm, firstly proposed by Kendi and Eberhard. It is modeled according to the behavior of board flux. Its advantages are simple reason and fast convergence, and it is well applied to find the global optimal solution in a nonlinear problems. And this figure illustrates the schematic representation of particle swarm. In this algorithm, in this figure illustrated the flowchart of PSO algorithm. In this algorithm, several cooperative particles are used in an n-dimensional space. Each particle owns its position and velocity. The position of a particle is influenced by the best position so far, the best, and the best position of all particles so far, the best. Velocity and position of particles are calculated by this equation, the following equation. Evaluation of the presented methods. Three different MPPT techniques were employed in this presentation for controlling or feeding the converter with appropriate duty cycle. These simulation details of duty cycle illustrated in this figure with different MPPT technique. We see that PSO and GWO and P&O start the initialization by setting duty cycle to 0 to 0.7, 0 to 0.7. The duty cycle value are changed. This process continues until the termination criterion is reached. Consequence of this changes of duty cycle, G&O technique PSO and P&O converge to the global MPP with a striking time of 0.9 seconds for GWO, 1 second for PSO, and 1.4 for P&O. Conclusion: this presentation includes that intelligence artificial technique GWO and PSO more performance than conventional MPPT method P&O in partial shaded condition. The G&O and PSO control has been achieved good efficiency than the P&O control, which P&O cannot precisely track the MPP in some situation, like partial shaded condition. The most important advantage in this study is GWO and PSO algorithm compared to the method PO and O in their fast convergence to MPP. Thank you for your attention.